Why monkey has social anxiety. Monkey enters room. Room has other monkeys. Other monkeys talking, laughing, existing normally. Monkey forgets how to stand. Monkey grabs cup. Monkey does not need drink. Cup is now emotional support object. Monkey brain says, "We are being observed." No one is observing. Crisis begins. Chapter 1. Monkey arrives in social jungle. Monkey did not want to come here. Monkey was told, "Come, many monkeys, fun." This was misleading. Monkey enters. Noise, movement, unpredictable humans pretending to be calm. Too many faces, too many possible mistakes. Monkey scans room. Where safe? Corner always safe. Monkey walks to corner. Claim territory. Stand, observe, survive. Chapter 2. Monkey brain activates ancient software. Monkey brain is not modern. Monkey brain is prehistoric. Built for predators, rejection, being left alone to dramatically perish. Monkey brain sees strangers. Monkey brain says, "Danger! Blend in or be removed from tribe." Now every movement matters. Monkey adjusts posture. Too stiff. Now too loose. Now strange. Monkey tries neutral. There is no neutral. Monkey manually breathing. Breathing now suspicious. Chapter 3. Monkey believes in imaginary spotlight. Monkey feels it. Spotlight. Bright, focused, judgmental. Every blink feels visible. Every sip feels important. Monkey thinks, all monkeys watching. Reality? Other monkeys thinking, do I look weird? What do I say next? Why did I come? Every monkey is anxious monkey. No monkey is audience. But monkey brain refuses logic. Spotlight remains. Chapter 4. Monkey attempts social contact. Monkey decides, we engage. Approaches nearby monkey. Words leave mouth. Order unclear. Tone uncertain. Sentence structure adventurous. Other monkey responds. Smiles. Conversation continues. Externally, normal. Internally, chaos! Monkey brain replaying in real time. Wrong word. Too loud. Too quiet. We must relocate to forest. Conversation ends. Monkey nods. Retreats to corner. Alive, but emotionally exhausted. Chapter 5. Monkey identifies the real problem. Monkey observes pattern. Problem is not other monkeys. Problem is monkey watching monkey. Monkey's constantly monitoring posture, voice, face, existence. Monkey is not in conversation. Monkey is in surveillance mode. Monkey is security camera watching himself live. No one can function like this. Meanwhile, confident monkeys not doing this. They are focused outward, listening, responding, existing, suspicious behavior. Chapter 6. Monkey studies confident monkey. Monkey observes confident monkey. Confident monkey says something slightly strange. No panic, no shutdown, no exile. Confident monkey continues talking. Life mistake did not happen. Monkey confused. Monkey thought mistakes equal removal from society. Confident monkey treats mistakes like background noise. Monkey brain processing new data. Mistakes survivable? Important discovery. Chapter 7. Monkey tests new strategy. Monkey tries experiment. Instead of, how do I look? Monkey asks, what is other monkey saying? Attention shifts slightly. Conversation becomes easier. Monkey forgets to panic for 2 seconds, then remembers and panics again. But those 2 seconds were promising. Monkey continues testing. Focus outward. Less self-monitoring. Less internal screaming. Small improvement. Chapter 8. Monkey trains through exposure. Reluctantly. Monkey does not transform instantly. Monkey practices. Many small interactions. Low-risk monkeys. Safe environments. Hello. How are you? Nice temperature for existing. Some interactions smooth, some awkward, all survivable. After each interaction, monkey brain updates. We spoke, we lived. This reduces panic over time. Repetition weakens fear. Monkey becomes slightly less dramatic. Chapter 9. Monkey still anxious, but functional. Monkey still feels anxiety. Heart still fast, hands still confused sometimes. But difference? Monkey no longer stops. Monkey acts anyway, talks anyway, stays in conversation longer. Mistakes happen. Monkey does not collapse. Recovery faster. No more 3-day mental replay. Now, only 30-minute replay. Significant upgrade. Chapter 10. Monkey understands reality. Monkey was never broken. Monkey brain was outdated. Running survival software in a room with snacks and music. There is no spotlight, there's no audience, only other anxious monkeys pretending to be calm. This realization is powerful. Monkey stands in group. Monkey speaks, monkey laughs, monkey sometimes weird, but monkey included. Monkey alive. Monkey no longer hiding in corner with emotional support cup. Well, sometimes still holding cup. But less dramatically. If monkey can survive party, other monkey can also try. Just don't overthink. Monkey already doing that for you.